everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me here today. I hope everyone is having a great week. If you are new here, my name is Lacey and welcome to Living with Lacey. Well guys, I know it's November and a lot of you, I've been watching you on IG, been watching you on Facebook and YouTube. Everyone is getting ready and preparing for 2023. So I've been doing so as well. I think I went down a rabbit hole. I've decided to add a new planning system. Don't. It's okay. Stop right there. It's okay. I'm still keeping my half letter and A5. I'm still getting things from cloth and paper. But I decided to add a new planning system. Some of you know I've already added a traveler's notebook, and I'm adding another kind of bound system to my planning routines and my planning systems. I just want to have something, different that, for me, and something different to share with you as well. And so if you are interested in seeing some of the little supplies, a little stationery, some stickers that I picked up. I know, guys, I said stickers. These are still going to be minimalistic, but I don't know. I'm floating around. I'm playing around with some things, and I'm kind of excited about it too. I felt like I needed a little creative outlet, and so anyway, I think by the time December 31st comes, I will be ready for 2023. So if you're interested in seeing exactly what I purchased, my little haul that I have, just keep watching. All right, everyone, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to share with you some things that I picked up. As you can see, these things are new to me. I picked up some stamps there. I wanted to start doing, just a little creative things in my planner, and I've been watching some people that I love their planner setups, and it's just something small and decorative, but this is a camera stamp. This is a rubber stamp. I picked these up from Joann's. Joann's right now is having a wonderful 40% off sale for these. Love this, some florals. Then I picked up, I love this typewriter right here. This old-fashioned typewriter. So I got that. And so these are just a few stamps that I picked up. All right, I got one more to show you. All right, next thing I picked up are these clear stamps from Recollection. I love the size of these, but I like that I think it's called typewriter. And then I picked up some ink. If y'all are into using stamps, let me know what you think the best ink is. But I got this ink on Amazon, so I'm just going to try this. I heard that it was really like smudge free. It had good reviews on it. And this came from Michaels as well. All right, next, move this over to the side. All right, next from Gracie Edits. I opened this up, but I didn't really look at it. These are new dividers that I picked up from her. All right, so we have, these are not in any particular order. Sorry, guys. So we have a daily section in my planner. It's going to be a personal section, and I like these. You see how sturdy they are, and they're laminated. Nice. Personal, so they should last for a long time. This will be a Living with Lacey section, weekly section, calendar. My monthly will be list, inbox, and work. And I think I'm going to move my list up to the front. Yeah. Thinking about doing the getting things done method. So, all right, so that came from Gracie Edits. I'm really excited about this. Stay tuned for that setup. All right, I also picked up, while I was at Michael's, I picked up two Tombows. This one just happens to be my favorite Tombow, 942. And then I picked up, this is kind of like a gray in 89. Let me show y'all what it looks like. Keep this card close to me. So this is 942, still the same. And this one is in 89. See, it's just a light gray. So this is N89. So these are the main two Tombows that I'll be using this year. So once again, that's N89 and 942. And I love that taupey color. And then we have that light gray. All right, next I got an order from Sweet Freckled Designs. Oh, y'all, everyone is in a frenzy about these planners. And guess what? Okay, I missed the pre-sale. And I even told myself, go back during the pre-sale, go back and pick up one of those bound planners. It's a Hobonichi style. That's what I want to add to my collection. And I missed it. So I went on her Facebook, I joined her Facebook page, and I went on her Facebook site, and there was some lovely ladies that had ordered extras and said that they would wait till the next restocking and would sell one to me. So I am waiting on mine to come. It probably won't be here for another 15 or 20 days. I'm kind of sad about it, but it's okay because it's coming, yeah, it's coming all the way from Canada. But she had one, and I'm excited about it. So I went ahead so I didn't have to wait. When it did arrive, I would have my things. So I'll show you a picture of what these planners look like. They're absolutely gorgeous. So I went ahead and ordered the tabs. So these are monthly tabs. And then they have a monthly, weekly, daily, and then miscellaneous. And then I love this, y'all. This is so pretty. This is called Cozy Homes Collection. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm going to use this next week in my weekly because this really seems like it's, you know, it's for fall, and this is about the last week of November, so I will use this every day next week. And then I also picked up, this is for your monthlies, so you can go ahead and put the days of the weeks on there, and it's enough for the whole year. And she had about 10, I think it was 10 fonts that you could choose from, and I got font number 1. I like this font right here. And that's what I got from Sweet Freckled Designs. Just so you know that she is selling these again. She's doing another pre-order for restocking on Black Friday. If you want one, you better get it, because I don't know if it's coming back out again. And so I'm getting another one just to have 2, and I can have one just in case she doesn't restock them again and I find myself in love. I told you I was going down a rabbit hole. And I do have a couple of friends to blame for that. All right, so the next company that I placed an order for was from Felicity Jane. This was a new company that I had not heard of. Instagram, I was on Posh Plans IG and saw this company, and she was having a great sale, so I decided to pick up some things. So I got this washi tape, really pretty washi tape. Love that black and white washi tape. Oh, this is a thank you. That's cute. Thank you card. It says, "Hi friend, thanks for your order. We can't wait to see what you create." So I'm using this mostly for my memory planning, but I needed some more supplies for it. So I'm doing 25 days of Christmas, and I'm really excited about that. And I'm doing it in my TN, so you'll see that. And then I got these chipboard tags. So I'm going to start this on December 1st and go all the way to Christmas Day. All right, so we have date. These are what all these little chipboards look like. Some polka dots. Heart. Plaid. That was striped before that. Blessed. Today I'm thankful for. Flowers and more polka dots. I think I'm gonna get some cute ribbon to go on here too. So these are the chipboards. I'll put all that back in there. All right, then I got me some TN inserts. I am so excited about memory planning this year. So I can use this one definitely for December. And this is what I love more than anything, y'all. It's white. So I love that. So I'm doing 25 days of Christmas. And then I bought another one. I'm probably going to pick up some more of these. I'm still going to keep the craft one too. The craft one as well. That's what it looks like on the inside. I love the white pages. I love white paper. All right, then next I have some puffy alphabets. And then I have some word confetti. All is calm, joy, December, ho, ho, ho. I think this thing is going to grow and be kind of thick too. Okay, then I picked up chipboard alphabet. These are nice. And if this doesn't work in here, I have another idea of using something. Oh, and I picked up 2 of these. I like the way these look right here. These are called Molly, and these are called Aspen. They have names. This is called Ivy, and this that I pulled out for us was called Harper. So all these came from Felicity Jane. So y'all, this is everything that I got this past week, and so I'm excited about it. I do think I'm going down a rabbit hole that I'm gonna like. I miss my scrapbooking and memory planning, and I just wanted to be able to have some things that I needed for that. So I'm really excited about it. Let me know if you memory plan or if you're interested in seeing some videos. So that's what I'm going to do in my 10 and make it a memory keeper. I already started a little bit. I don't know if I showed y'all this. You might have seen it on my Instagram. This is just me trying out. So I made this in the front, memories, and then this was an event I went to. So yeah, I think that turned out cute, but I think it's gonna be great to keep. Now, so I do like this one, y'all. Yeah, great to keep some memories. I need to write up about that one. That was last week. I like this too. It's not as white as, but this is gonna work. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. Hey, if y'all have any questions about anything that I got, I'm going to link everything below. So go to check out these websites, Felicity Jane and Sweet Freckled Designs for sure. Check your local Michael's and Joann's. Everyone's having some great sales. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to take charge of your life, one plan at a time. Hey, let me just say this. Give this video a thumbs up. Those thumbs up go a long way here in YouTube land. Have a great week.